I'm going to guide you how to delete friends on Facebook. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, to delete friends on Facebook, first of all, you need to log in into your Facebook account. As you can see, I'm already in my Facebook account. Now, once you are here, you need to tap on your profile icon on your top left corner. Then it will land you on your profile page. So you need to scroll a little bit. Then you are going to see all friends. So tap on it. Then you are going to see the list of all of your friends. So in order to delete this list, you need to tap on those three dots beside your friend profile. Then you are going to see unfriend. So tap on unfriend at the bottom there. Then confirm. Then you will be able to remove that friend from your list. So that's how you can simply delete all friends from your Facebook account. I hope this was useful. If it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice time.